Hello everybody, MonsterMan37 back here with another video. This time, a sound update for the sounds in the deluxe Mach driver Hono from Kamen Rider Drive. So, I will not be doing the Hisatsu full throttle for all of them. So, you're just going to have to bear with me because it's the same sound necessarily. So, yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. But first, let's transform into Kamen Rider Mach. I didn't mean to do that. Let's issue. So first up is shift speed. So, I'm going to be showing off these first three in case you haven't seen my video of the Mach driver Hono, which, again, I will fix because it was way too blurry. So, anyway, that becomes hi, meaning fast. And since the regular signal up is the same as the transformation, I'm going to skip to 4x signal up. Which then becomes Todemo hi, meaning very fast. And just this once, here's the Hisatsu. I do like how it displays all the colors, though. I do like that touch. Next up is Shift Wild. That becomes Suyoi, and by God, I didn't mention this in the Mach driver Hono review, but this has a lot of Showa feel to the sounds, doesn't it? Which becomes Kanari Suyoi, meaning fairly strong. Next up is Technique. So it says umai, meaning clever. And it'll say todemo umai, meaning very clever. So in the entire Koukan line, we'll start off with Max Flare. He actually did use this one. So right there it says moeru, meaning burn. And the 4x signal up is Kyuning moeru, meaning suddenly burn, or sudden burn. Next up is Funky Spike. So right there it says Sasaru, meaning pierce. Say Takusan Sasaru, meaning pierce a lot. Next up is Midnight Shadow. So it says Shinobi, meaning hide, which is actually another word for ninja in Japan. Then it'll say Imasugu Shinobi, meaning hide right now. Get rid of that glare. There we go. So next up is Justice Hunter. Right there it'll say toeru, meaning capture. Right there it'll say zettai toeru, meaning absolutely capture. I'm going to turn on the light back here so that you can have a little bit more light. There we go. There we go, nice and bright so that you can see everything. So anyway, moving on. Next up we have Massive Monster. Right there is a kagiru, meaning na. There's a kyuni kagiru, meaning suddenly na. Or was that kyuni? I don't remember. Oh, I was right. Alright. Next up is Spin Mixer, which is one that he used in the show. We'll say mazeru, meaning mix. We'll say zutto mazeru, which means more mix. Eh? Next up is Dream Vegas. Right there will say atare, meaning win. And it'll say zettai atare, meaning absolutely win. Okay. Next up is Dimension Cab. So right there it says takuru, meaning take a taxi. Right there it'll say imasuru takuru, meaning take a taxi right now. Next up is Rumble Dump, another one that he used. Right there it'll say araburu, meaning roughen. And it'll say kanari araburu, meaning fairly roughen. Next up is Mad Doctor. They'll say naoru, meaning heal. They'll say imasugu naoru, meaning heal right now. Which he actually did use this one in the show. Next up is Burning Solar. But they'll say Pikaru, meaning shiny. And right there it'll say Todemo Pikaru, meaning very shiny. Next up is Hooking Wrecker. Right there it'll say Hippare, meaning pull. And it'll say Takusan Hippare, meaning pull a lot. Next up is Fire Braver. Right there it'll say Nogiru, meaning extend, because of the ladder extender. say kanari nogiru, meaning fairly extend. Next up is rolling gravity. They'll say chubus, meaning crush. They'll say kuning chubus, meaning crush, suddenly what again? Yeah, suddenly crush. I'm an idiot. I'm looking at the list that I have, because, like, I've forgotten most of these, so. Derp. Next up is colorful commercial. Right there it says senden, meaning advertise. Right there it'll say taksan senden, which means advertise a lot. Next up is Deco Traveler. So right there it says toraberu, meaning travel. Pretty obvious, that one. Right there it says imasuru toraberu, which means travel right now. Next up is Road Winter. Right there it says hieru, meaning chill. I do like that icy blue light that it has. Right there it'll say kuning hieru, meaning suddenly chill. And last in the shift car lineup is Amazing Circus, which is really hard to fit in here. But not that hard. Right there it says pikuri, meaning surprise. Right there it says kanari pikuri, which means fairly surprise. Alright, now that that's over with, let's cancel the transformation. Otsukare to you too. So, that is all that the shift cars can do in the Mach Driver Hono. I do like how it makes its own different sounds for them. I don't have any viral cores to show this off with, but when I do get the viral cores, I will show it off in the Mach Driver Hono, so be on the lookout for that. So I will see you guys next time. Take care. Maybe this will give you a hint into what I'm reviewing next.